Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. The Fed is set to raise rates by 25 basis points on Wednesday to highest in 22 years, while retaining a tightening bias that signals the possibility of another increase later the year. Bloomberg Economics said many FOMC members still expect that subsequent hike, but recent soft data may have weakened their conviction. China's economic outlook is seen deteriorating despite the government's pledge for more stimulus. Economists lowered their GDP projections for 2023 to 5.2% from 5.5%, and growth is seen slowing to 4.8% in 2024. It is positive for other emerging markets like India. Now, if we go through with FI's activity, then they are consistently selling since the last 3 days, and yesterday also they sold more than 1,000 crores. That has actually created some selling pressure in the market, and since last 3 days we are seeing consistent downward activity in the market. On Tuesday, we saw some recovery after hitting the levels of 19,600. However, the overall pattern is suggesting us that the markets are heading towards 19,550, 19,500 levels in the near term. On the higher side, 19,800 is going to act as a resistance. Even if we go through with the FI's FNO activity, then they are consistently increasing their short positions, or they are reducing their long positions and increasing on the put side. So based on overall the setup of FNO activity as well as technical indicators, we are of the view that for the day again 19,750 is going to act as resistance. In the best case scenario, we may see the levels of 19,800, but at the same time, if it breaks the levels of 19,600, then the chances of hitting 550 or 500 would turn high. There the market is having excellent support, and we should look for taking some contra bets in the market. Finally, for the Bank Nifty, it is in the range. It is not crossing 46,200. It is not falling below 45,700. It was down during the day, but it recovered back. So today, if we see any furthermore sustained activity below 45,700, then the chances of hitting 45,500 would turn high. But there the Bank Nifty is having again very good support. For the IT index, I think it is stabilizing close to 29,600, 700 levels, and in case if it fails to break 29,600 and the market starts rebounding, then in the IT index we can expect some firework. But the level of 30,000 is going to act as major resistance for this expiry. Above 30,000 we can expect good amount of short covering from the IT stocks. Broadly, we are of the view that we need to be more and more stock specific, as the market is trading in a narrow range and the fall is gradual. Metals, commodities, cement companies did well on Tuesday, and furthermore activity is more likely in the near term. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.